So welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to see how you can create business cards on Microsoft Word completely for free. So to start with, we head over to this tab, click on File, click on New. And under this search bar, you can type in business cards. So it's this one and click Create. So as you can see, we have different business card here. So let's change the name here to now. Yeah, company address. This company address. Journal or come over here, move the cursor here. So check. Okay. Here you add an email. Then you add enter your website name. Logo can be inserted here, but that one is quite big, so just forget about it. So you can tweak the color of this. So you can see it has generated one of the business cards. Once you adjust it, it generates everything at once. You can see it here. So let's try this logo again to see. Let's try it again. Insert and pictures. Let it come in. And I'm going to reduce this now to ensure that it's able to fit in. So we've added a logo here. So that's it. So we now attempt to head over, click print. So we are putting to Adobe so that you see how it is. You can decide to tweak the paper size here, and we'll leave it as it is. So we print it. Yes. So you can see it has been printed. This is the business card now. So this is how you can use Microsoft Word to create business cards completely for free. So thank you for watching. Kindly like, subscribe to the channel, share the video, and comment if you have anything to say. Thank you.